already learned about congruence of triangle and criteria for congruence of triangle. In today's video, we will learn some of the properties of a triangle. And you can see here three isosceles triangle. We know that in an isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal. Or if two sides of a triangle are equal, such triangle are called as isosceles triangle. Now, if two sides of this triangle are equal, you can check that their base angles will be also equal. So, if suppose this is 6 centimeter, both the sides are 6 centimeter, and if you construct an isosceles triangle with two sides 6 centimeter and one side 4 centimeter and check that base angles, you can see that these are base angles and the base angles will be equal. Same way, if the base angles are equal, the side opposite to them will be equal. So these are the properties of the triangle. So angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, and the side opposite to equal angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now we will prove these two statements. First statement is angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, and the second one is side opposite to equal angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So let's prove this statement. Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So prove that. Sometimes the question may ask like this: prove that angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. We know in proving the theorem, first step we need to draw the figure. Since it is an isosceles triangle, I have drawn the isosceles triangle ABC. Next step, second step is you need to write the data. Third step, you need to write to prove. Then construction, if it is required, we need to draw the construction. And finally, statement and reason. So this is the proof part. It consists of two things, statement and reason. So data, they have given as given triangle ABC in which they have given that the sides are equal. So we can write AB equal to AC. This is given. And we need to prove that angle opposite to equal sides. So to prove that these two sides are equal, and we need to prove angle B equal to angle C. This is what we need to prove. Now construction, we need to draw one construction. We need to construct one construction for this. That is, we are constructing a bisector of angle A. So the construction part is draw the bisector of angle A and draw the bisector of angle A. So I am going to do the bisector of angle A. Let it meet BC at D. So this is the construction we are doing. So we have drawn the line AD, and we have drawn in such a way that AD is the bisector of angle A, and or we can say that the bisector of angle A meets the side BC at D, or the point of intersection of the bisector and the side BC is point D. Now the proof. So we can see here two triangles. One is triangle BAD and second one is triangle CAD. So I am going to write in triangle BAD and triangle CAD. These are the triangles we are going to consider, and we are going to prove this property of the triangle by using the congruence rule that you have already studied. You have already studied SAS congruence rule, SSS congruence rule, ASA congruence rule, RHS congruence rule, and also you have studied AAS congruence rule. So any one of the congruence rule you can use and prove that these two triangles are congruent and then finally we say that the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle are equal, and we will prove that angle opposite to equal sides of the triangle are equal. So for that I have considered these two triangles. Now we can take the parameters AB equal to AC. It is already given in the data. Again I can write angle BAD equal to angle CAD. BAD equal to CAD because this is by construction. We have constructed in such a way that AD is the bisector of angle A. So bisector means divide into two equal parts. So BAD, angle BAD and angle CAD will be equal. So this is by construction. So we got two parameters, one is side, second one is angle. Now we can see one more. For both the triangle, AD is common. So I can write AD is common for both the triangle. Now you can see side, angle, side. So these two triangles are congruent. BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by SAS congruence rule. So by SAS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent, and also we can say that, therefore we can say that angle B equal to angle C by corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So finally we have proved that angle opposite to equal sides of the triangle are equal. Now next, just the converse of above statement. That is, just now we have proved that angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. This is the converse of the above statement. The side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So here again we have the triangle ABC. So data is in triangle ABC, we have angle B equal to angle C. Because angles are equal, now we need to prove side AB is equal to side AC. For this, again we are doing the same construction. Draw AD, the perpendicular to BC, and AD is the bisector of angle A. AD is the bisector of angle A. Bisector means it divides into two equal parts. So bisector of angle A. Now this we can use ASA congruence rule as well as AAS congruence rule to prove this theorem. So here also we are going to consider the triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So we know AD is common for both the triangle. AD is common. Again, angle B equal to angle C, it is given as data. So BAD is equal to DAC, that is by construction because it is the perpendicular bisector, or even you can write ADB equal to ADC equal to 90 degree, that is also perpendicular bisector. We can write that also. Now therefore these two triangles ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by AAS congruence rule. AAS, two angle and one side. So I can say AAS congruence rule. One angle, again one angle and one side we have used, and the side is not included, so it is AAS congruence rule. But if you are using this two angles, this angle and 90 degree, and if you are using this side, you can write as ASA congruence rule. Both are correct. Now I have used this angle, angle B, and the bisector property and this side. So it is AAS congruence rule. Finally, we can write AB equal to AC as corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Therefore, I can write AB equal to AC by corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So we have proved two theorems today. One is angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, and the second one, side opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. And thank you for watching my video.